Panasonic is headquartered in Osaka, Japan, with a Toughbook factory in Kobe and another in Taipei, Taiwan. Our products are a wonderful blend of Japanese quality, with the efficiency and flexibility of being so near a variety of parts partners in Taipei.
We have had a very close working relationship with Panasonic for 15 years. This includes constant communication between Panasonic factories in Japan and Taiwan, which ensures the outstanding product quality when designing and building custom parts. Part customization isn't always customer specific. We even include custom parts in our standard offerings. For example, the Toughbook CF33, built with the latest Windows 10 Pro. Based on the voice of customer, this cover allows a battery change while attached to the keyboard base without removing the whole cover.
The quality of the Toughbook 33 offers outstanding performance in both hardware and software. As part of the Toughbook 33, we provide Windows 10 Pro to be the main operating system.
Microsoft 365 and Autopilot are other successful services provided through the partnership with Microsoft. In short, this means an employee can become productive faster. Panasonic, as a company, is modernizing and transforming. We will continue to partner with Microsoft to deliver innovative devices and services.